Hello, this is Cooking Club by ILS, and today we are going to make tiramisu. My name is Sofia, and today I have Maria.
Hello.
And Simeon.
Hello.
Guys, do you like sweet stuff?
Yes, of course.
And have you ever tried homemade tiramisu?
No.
So today we are going to try it. Don't forget to buy cooked Savoyardi cookies. Otherwise you couldn't cook by yourself. The most important thing in this recipe is cream. For the cream we need mascarpone, we need 2 egg yolks, we need sugar or sugar powder, and that's it. First of all, we need to separate egg whites from egg yolks. Egg whites we don't need, we need only egg yolks. Simeon, please take some sugar powder and add half of this box inside our egg yolks. Masha, here is the mixer. Please mix this all together.
Okay.
Masha, give me please mascarpone.
Here you are.
Open it please for me.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Here you are.
We need to put all the cream cheese inside the egg yolks with sugar.
What is it?
This is a special cream cheese for desserts. A lot of Italian recipes and a lot of Italian desserts are made with the help of this cheese. Now, Masha, could you mix it once again, please? The first step of our cream is done. Now we need to make another one. We take one more bowl. Masha, give me please some cream.
Here you are.
Thank you very much. We need to take 200 milliliters. I do it on my eye. It's enough. Simeon, please give me the rest of the sugar
Here you are.
and put it all inside. Okay. Now we need to mix this one together. Okay, our cream is ready. Now we need to add one part of the cream to another one. Masha, could you please mix it all together?
Okay. So yummy.
Now we need to make our tiramisu. We need to take some coffee. It's already here. Don't forget to make it cold. Here is our cream and here is our form. First of all, guys, we take some cookies. What are we doing next? We have layers of our tiramisu. So, with the sugar part, we put it inside the coffee and put it in the form. Okay, next step, we take a spoon, we take our cream, and we put our cream on the top of our cookies. Okay guys, the next step, we need to do one more layer of our cookies. So please, take more cookies and put it on the top of our cream. And we put one more layer of our cream. And I believe it's the last one. Our tiramisu is on to be ready. The last thing is we need to put it in fridge for at least 8 hours.
2 hours later.
The last step of our cooking is to put some cacao on top of the tiramisu. Okay guys, our tiramisu is finally ready.
Can we try it?
No! Guys, and if you want to learn English with us, come to ILS school. We are waiting for you.